Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your iPhone screen burn in or image retention. Do you see ghost image, app icons or shadows stuck on your iPhone screen? That's called image retention and sometimes screen burn in. Let's reduce it step by step. Step 1. Identify the problem. Open a white or light background, Notes or Safari. If the image fades after a few minutes, then image retention. If it never disappears, then burn in. Image retention is usually fixable. Step 2. Restart your iPhone. Press volume up plus power button, then slide to power off, then back on again. This clears temporary display memory. Step 3. Lower screen brightness. Go to settings, then display and brightness. Reduce brightness to below 70%. Avoid max brightness for long periods. High brightness causes burn in faster. Step 4. Enable auto lock. Go to settings, then display and brightness, then auto lock. Set it to 30 seconds or 1 minute. Prevents static image staying too long. Step 5. Turn on dark mode. Go to settings, then display and brightness. Enable dark mode. Dark mode protects OLCD pixels. Step 6. Update iOS. Open settings, then general, then software update. Install any available update. Updates from Apple improve display management. If burn-in does not go away, permanent burn-in is hardware related. Contact Apple support or visit an authorized service center for display replacement. And that's it. Those steps help reduce image retention and prevent screen burn-in. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.